Hey everyone, I'm Brandon from Nagios and welcome back to the channel. Today I got a quick video for you on how to download and install Nagios Log Server on ESXi. This will be a quick video, so let's get started. Now we're going to look at installing Nagios Log Server on ESXi. Again, we do not recommend using the OVA as a production installation method. We recommend that if you're going to use ESXi to host Nagios Log Server, you spin up one of our supported Linux distributions and install Log Server manually. For evaluation purposes, we will go ahead and download the OVA. I'm at nagios.com under products underneath Log Server. I am selecting the free trial, and here we have the OVA download right here. I already have the OVA downloaded, so now all we have to do is switch over to ESXi. Here we are for ESXi. All we need to do is open up our data centers. And here in our data center, we can go to VMs. And then in virtual machines, we can click Actions and deploy OVF template. Here in the OVF template, we're going to select a local file, click Upload Files, and then we're going to navigate to where we have that OVA downloaded. So again, mine is right here in a folder called Nagios. I'll click Open, and it's going to open the OVA in ESXi. We'll click Next. We need to determine where we want to have our machine saved along with its name. I will leave everything here default. We'll click Next. We need to select where we want our resources to be pulled from. We only have one cluster here, so I'll be using that. Click Next. We just need to quickly review the details here. Everything here looks good. We can click Next once again. We'll select our storage pool, and we'll select one of our primary storage pools here. Click Next. Here we can do any network settings that we may need to do. I'm going to be leaving everything here again default. We'll click Next. And here's the summary of us deploying Log Server onto ESXi with the OVA. Once we're satisfied with our settings, we can click Finish. Here at the bottom, we'll see that our OVA is importing along with a status bar. And we're just going to give ESXi here a minute to import our OVA. Alright, our virtual machine has imported. Now we can either scroll to look for it, or we can simply type in Nagios. We can type in Nagios LS, hit enter. And here's our virtual machine right here. We will click on our virtual machine. At the top, we will select this triangle here to power on the VM. Then we will click the Launch Web Console. Our VM has already powered up and we are greeted with an IP address immediately. We can take that IP and paste it into our desired web browser. And we can go through the final installation steps for Nagios Log Server. So I'm going to copy the username and paste it in for the password. This is just an example. We do not recommend that you do this. I'm also going to put in a bogus email address. Select Finish Installation. Log in. And we can now start using Nagios Log Server. And that wraps up today's video, folks. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any more questions, please visit support.nagios.com where you can find additional documentation. Also, be sure to stop by our YouTube channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.